Hey, what's going on, y'all? What's going down? Crypto market time. Traditional market time. Mostly crypto going just absolute insane today. Jesus Christ, it just does not stop. You never go full retard. But hey, good job, alts. That's a very amazing. Y'all doing great. Especially ETC, my god, dude. EOS joining the party, so that's nice. Let's see. What else is moving crazy? EOS just, that's how you know the market's getting frothy. Everybody talks shit about Dan Larimer hardcore, but today, it doesn't matter. It's all good. Some big moves today. I mean, 50%. ETC is just getting absolutely insane. This is just, you can't you can't really, I don't even think the 4618 extension would have got this. There's just nothing really showing this. Oh, maybe it did. Oh, I'm sorry, it does. So we actually still can keep going. $600. Let's go. Almost hitting the 3618 from this extension, measuring off of this sell-off back in 2020 from coronavirus. Just absolute bananas, man. This is so crazy. Yeah, it's blue sky breakout. Can just rip faces off. And look at this, just super methodical, just parabolic. This is exactly what parabolicia looks like. I don't know if that's a word or not, but this is super intense, man. Good job, Ethereum Classic. I guess it's going to replace Ethereum here soon. The flippening is happening. All right, let's go back up to the total market cap. Daily close yesterday was pretty good. Just kind of chilling, though, right after that. But, I mean, I really do like this close. It did make new highs and everything, so that is pretty good for the crypto market overall. Obviously, Total 2 has been looking really good for the last week or so. Nothing different there. This is just falling into the abyss. Continuation to the downside. Keeps going and going. We tapped into the 44 handle today. I mean, we're getting... So we've been watching this for a while. This trajectory, I mean, we're probably going to be down by the end of this month. We're probably going to be in this 38 area, like upper 30 percentage, which is crazy. This is so fast and swift. Altcoins saying Bitcoin is a little bitch right now. And to be fair, it's acting like one. So, you know, what are you going to do? This is pretty crappy Bitcoin. Like, what is Bitcoin doing? It's trying to reset, but let's look at oscillators. Yeah, okay, I mean, it's trying. Bulls are at least back in the neutral zone, so that's kind of cool. See if they're battling it out here to get some flipping action to the north side, but let's go look. Man. Yeah, damn. I don't know, man. This still sucks. Like, I still don't like this this setup. I don't like that it's stalling right here at these tops of these bodies, and it's a 618 retracement from, if you don't know what I'm talking about, from this level to here. So it's right at this 618 with the mama. So a lot of resistance right here. Really would love to see this get over 59,000. That would make me feel a lot better about this crypto market. Wow, Ethereum Classic crossing 50% gain today. Woo! Hi-ho. Hi-ho. It's off to the moon we go. Oh, man, I guess I got screwed. Dude, what the hell? All right, I'm synchronizing some stuff here. See what that says. I don't know what's going on with... Dude, I just checked on that Doge transaction I made, and it still has not gone through. So, I don't know what the hell is going on with that shit. But that is pretty lame for Dogecoin. What the hell, dude? What the absolute F? It's been almost 24 hours now. What is this? ACH? The shit, man. Anyway, Oh, man, yeah, Mama Bear just still whatever. I mean, it's just really confused on this chart. The daily right here from yesterday looks pretty good, and I like that it's back above 55, so that bodes pretty well for possible continuation. But you can see this dang trend line is just really important. We really need to break this sucker to get some momentum back to the upside. And just, yeah, it's just boring as hell. So let's just move on because, you know, whatever. What is this crap? Bitcoin just being a little bitch while altcoins just run game all over it. Yep, just resynchronized. Only seen by 3 peers. What the hell is happening? That's some bullcrap, man. Oh well, whatever. Can't do anything about it. Yeah, so we're almost getting reset on the futures. Let's go daily. Daily still kind of struggling. It is above the MAMA and the EMAs on the futures, so that's cool. They are still sloppy, but if we can just stay up above like 55-ish thousand for another few days, we probably will get all these reset, and then we can talk about super sexy price action. Ethereum kind of just chilling here. It is trying to take off today. What is up with this slowness here? It is kind of taking off today. It does. It looks good, man. As long as it's just holding this 3,200-ish area, maybe 33, 32 area. It looks fine. Just kind of chilling. Let's see, futures. Yeah, futures still look fine. Let's zoom in a little bit. Yeah, I mean, there's nothing really too crazy. Futures look great above about 3,300, so they're sharing spot. So that's nice to see confluence. Litecoin looks fine, just kind of holding this. Needs to really hold about 320-ish, and looks good. Let's see. Man, what the hell is up with this slow loading, dude? What the I swear, man, this bullshit internet, man. So frustrating. All right. Anyway, as long as it's, yeah, holding about 320-ish, this looks fine on Litecoin. I like that. Ethereum Classic, what the absolute hell? This is just super crazy, man. If this isn't blow off top stuff, then I'm not sure what is. And this thing, again, blue sky stuff, it's up until it ain't. So it's really that simple. And we're probably going to get some nasty, nasty daily candle at some point that, I mean, guys, we're 60% away from the daily shortest term moving average. I don't think Ethereum Classic has ever done that in its history. Maybe right here. Maybe if we take this wick on it, it probably is. No, not even with that wick. It's not. Hold on, we got to find something. Maybe right here. Nope, not even close. Nope, nope, nope. Nope, never. So it's never been this far away from its daily short-term moving averages. Damn, sorry. I'm hoping the grass is on the other side of the hill for this stupid allergy crap. It feels a little bit better, but hopefully tomorrow I'll be all the way back to normal. Jesus Christ. Sorry, just sneezed like a mofo, kind of threw me off. All right, Ethereum Classic is just going up more. 55%, 60%, 100,000%. It doesn't matter. It's not stopping. This is absolute full retard mode. I mean, 230% just this week. I mean, holy crap. And, yeah, there's just nothing really to say about this. It's up until it ain't. And so do be cautious on this. There will be some candle at some point. Hell, who knows when it'll be. We could go up to 400, whatever, 300, who knows. But at some point there is going to be a big, like probably 50% 5% daily candle at minimum to the downside. So just be cautious on these parabolic moves. I mean, this is straight vertical. And as we talk about a lot on the channel, a lot of times when you get that straight vertical stuff, you'll get some straight down. So, I mean, you did have it kind of just consolidate right here. That was the nicest thing, but that was still 60% down over, a month or so. All right, let's keep on moving. XRP looking good, just bouncing off the daily. Let's see if we can close this next daily above like 165, 170. That would look pretty damn good. If this weekly, it doesn't close for another 3 days, but this weekly closes up here like this, that would also be good. But I don't have any issues with this above about 150. XRP looks great. XLM beast mode candle yesterday, nice engulfing, getting follow through. Maybe find a little resistance here at about the 69-cent area. I think that's all-time highs. Yep. So let's see how this daily closes. I mean, about 60 cents is like a decent floor here, where all this business is, where it kind of rolled over. Let's see if this daily can close like even above 70. That would be really sexy. And then I'd probably be looking for this thing to go to $1 after that, if that happens. Just absolute insane numbers for all these altcoins. Jesus Christ. DOT breaking out. Nice girthy daily candle yesterday. Getting some follow through. Let's see if it can work its way up to 50. That is major resistance. Anything over 50, we can start targeting $70 after that. And conversely, anything back below this horizontal at about $38, I'd be a little bit concerned, and it would just go back to kind of neutral inside of this consolidation box. Link taking a little bit of a breather today, but still above 40, about 46-ish, 47-ish. It looks fine, no problems there. It's easy peasy. I mean, blue sky breakout, you just kind of keep ratcheting up. If you have a horizontal from fib extensions like we plot on here, you can use those as good support levels around that, give or take 5-10% or so. And then, because in crypto right now with this volatility, you got to kind of be a little bit more loose. Ultimately, next target's about 60, 59 bucks, so maybe we'll get up to there. And as long as we're holding, about that $46, it looks fine to me. ADA breaking out, same girthy candle, getting follow through immediately. This is what should happen, so this looks very, very sexy. We don't have any fib extensions for this. Hold on. Let's get some. Oops, I'm clicking too much stuff. Except, damn, ADA, I don't have no data on this. Hold on, let me get a different chart for ADA, because this does not have enough information. What? There we go. Bittrex will have a lot. Yeah, there we go. So, man. Damn, it went to... That's like some Dogecoin prices down here. What the hell? Shit, can't really... This is pretty sloppy. Whatever. We're just going to use this close price action for a little bit of measurements. Let's see if I can click on the damn buttons properly. So it looks like we're right at the 1618. 2618 extension is around $2. And then you've got the full retard modes up here in the $3 handles. So, oh, auto there. Come on, you can do it. Man, I'm having some clicky problems. And that 618 thing was around here somewhere, like in the 150s, which is nice. That coincides with what we were looking at. As long as this thing's holding about 150. Mid 140s, it looks fine. Let's see, BCH slowing down a little bit, not getting a whole lot of follow through after the big girthy candle yesterday. Weekly looks great though. What are some extensions on this guy? Let's see, we can probably take this big consolidation, would be a good one. 1618 is where that horizontal was. Man, 3,500 is the 2618 from this consolidation pattern. Jesus Christ, that's crazy. That's more than a double from here. I'm not sure if we got that kind of strength, but dude, the way this market is, why the hell not? Anything above about 1100 on this looks good, which is kind of far now. It's like 25% away, but you know, that's kind of how the chart's built up right now. So everything's just getting a little frothy and risky at these prices. Bitcoin SV, the real Satoshi, coming right up to the middle of the channel. See if we can close above this channel, ultimately above like 450, same as yesterday. We get a daily close above 450. I'd be looking for the top end of this channel up at around $900. And conversely, to the downside, anything back below about 365, like about 370-ish, I'd probably look for a test back into the target support zone right here, this little teal rectangle. And that's right where the mama is, so that is a very important level in that low 300s. Looking pretty good. EOS, Jesus Christ. Daily girthy mania yesterday, and then follow through right to the target. Look at that, coming right to the fib extension, just chilling. And I mean, what is after that fib extension? Jesus. Do we really, they're going to make us measure it. It looks like the bulls are like, yeah, bitches, it's party time. You can suck it, bro. So it looks like that's the 1618 consolidation. And if we go here, the 2618 is 40. Oh my god, this is just getting into full absolute stupid mode. But hey, whatever. The market's doing that right now, so yeah, I mean, the next target off that consolidation is all the way up at 30. That's a little bit aggressive, but hey, this market be crazy. This is tough to do risk management on this now. Almost have to use, this is where lower time frames sometimes are a little bit useful. Let's see. I mean, really just probably using $10 as a psychological level, the start of this candle here. That's probably how I'd manage this. If as long as it's holding about $10, I'd be okay holding it. XMR, is this about to get follow through? Yesterday's daily re-engulfed this sell-off right off the 21. It definitely looks like it. Monero's got a pretty sexy chart set up here. And let's see, what could be some short-term targets from... Dude, what is wrong with my clicking ability today? What do we got? Maybe around 600. And then way up there at about 1,000. That's a good enough for now. So yeah, maybe $600 on Monero's coming. And let's go back in time. I think it's almost, yeah, so almost $500 was the previous all-time high back in 2018. So shit, we're almost there. I'd be surprised actually if Monero does not go and test that. Zcash breaking out, looks really good. Looks like it's on its way to 440. I mean, yeah, this shit is just absolutely bananas. Yeah, 440 probably major stopping point right there. And then after that, if it really wants to get partying, 700. Same as yesterday, but and it just has got to hold about $300. Maybe you could go down to about 270, and ultimately, obviously, this horizontal back here, but that's getting kind of far away now. Dash almost hitting our target. 470. This looks fine above about 380. I have no problems with this. It just looks like it wants continuation. Doge is chilling out here. Look at this. Calming down. It is coming back to its horizontal. Maybe opportunity zone right here. High risk opportunity zone. Most definitely. It looks like some of the hype for Saturday is starting to wane. See if we can get bid back up here. Zoom in a little bit. Yeah, starting to get that pressure. Still dominant, though, on the DMI. Whew. Anything back below, probably this little tail on this wick at about 53 pennies. I'd look for a pretty quick retrace down into 40-cent area. And then we'll have to reassess there. But starting to get a little heavy on Dogecoin. But hey, man, it is just chilling right on this horizontal. So again, like I just said, it's got to break back below that mid-50s to really start getting concerned. So crazy. ES. Spies are just doing nothing. They're just chilling, indecision, no edge on even on the daily, just really sloppy. Even weekly is a little sloppy. It's slightly bullish by DMI and RSI, but yeah, nothing really there either. Let's look at 850, which is, oh yeah, 850 is actually a little bit bearish still. So yeah, kind of neutral right here on ES. Not a huge fan of either way on that guy. Man, no follow through on NASDAQ. That kind of sucks. That's actually a little bit on the bear side. Getting rejected from the lower time frame, but you do have major support at that 1300. I'm sorry, 13.3 area. So as long as it's holding that, it's okay, and maybe this is an opportunity zone. We'll see over this next week. Maybe we can just kind of curl out of this, but I mean, it's kind of ugly. Let's go weekly. Yeah, weekly doesn't look that bad at all. Weekly is just right back on the 10 simple, which is agreeing with that 13.3 level. So really, opportunity zone is probably what this should be considered as until it gets back below 13.3. Oh, wow, look at that. Dow getting follow through, going to the target finally. And, dudes, it looks like it's going to break and probably go to its next target up here about 1,000 points higher. Absolute insanity, man. Interesting, the Dow's looking so much better than everything. But we are getting a little bit of pushback from this horizontal, so it's not best to just long right on the first test. I like to wait till they kind of break and then retest and then use that. That's a way safer entry. Rut just falling back off, doing absolutely freaking nothing. Oh my god, what is this garbage? I mean, it's barely holding on. I don't like this chart though. This is pretty bearish. Short term, maybe we're coming back to test 2160 it looks like, but yeah, pretty terrible. I don't know. It's just so boring. You can't really do anything with this chart. There's no edge. Dow Jones Transportation. Slight doji, but that doesn't really mean that much just by itself. If we're just consolidating up here above 15.5, I mean, it looks perfectly fine. So this chart's been leading the Dow up pretty hardcore. VIX popping pretty hard today. Interesting. Maybe if this can freaking load. What the jeez. Yeah, low time frame. Starting to get bullish reads on VIX. And daily is going to get it too. If we just kind of keep hovering above 18 and working our way up to 20, we'll get these oscillators reset. VVIX pumping up to 10. Yeah, I mean, this is interesting for VVIX and volatility products. They're starting to heed a little bit of warning here. Let's see, oil chilling, coming back down. It's like pretty much 64 is that level we were looking at, so 64 is all good. Maybe get a buy opportunity here if we keep coming back into that 64 handle. That would be kind of nice. I'd probably long a little bit of energy stocks on that. Bonds are working their way up, guys, to that 159 level. We're almost there. Over 159, I'd be looking for almost an immediate stab to 162. That's also boding well for VIX stuff and volatility creeping in. And look at his notes. The 10 years already pretty much flirting with some new highs. So this is interesting. TNX rolling back over. This, man, anything back below this trend line, that's when probably bonds really get triggered. Oh, man, Dixie giving it up. That's interesting. It is bearish on the daily still, you know, pretty dominant on DMI. But as long as it's above this trend line, whatever. I mean, I'm going to default just to price action on this. Oh, excuse me. As long as we're holding about that 90-50 area, it looks fine. Euro bouncing pretty hard off the horizontal and the trend line cross, so that's mega support in that 119. But getting a little struggling right here. It's like 120.5 and like pretty much a little right below 120 is kind of its just sideways chop zone right now in between the daily MAs you can see here. So until it gets out of that, it's kind of just whatever. Oh yeah, Bitcoin alert. on the 3 hour, huh? Let's see. FDAX. The DAX, You can see it has formed this little trend line, kind of about like so. So, man, as long as it's below this middle of this range, right where this girthy candle came down, it's not great. Just, it's more neutral. It's because we're above the mama, above the 55, and below this consolidation. So it's just really neutral. It needs to get back above like 15.3 to get bullish on this. And then obviously anything back below this candle here or breaking the mama on the daily, I would be a little bit concerned on that. Shanghai just continuing to consolidate, making new highs. I mean, this thing is compressing like a mofo. It's going to get resolution, though, I think. Probably within the next week or so. Precious metals, what's up? Hello. Let's get it in. We've been buying dips on the gold action for the last couple of weeks, looking extra sexy, and we're getting follow through. That is beautiful. This is pretty awesome candle here. If we can get back above like this trend line too, that would be really awesome. And next target on this is in the upper 1800s. Another $50 or so from here. Oh, excuse me. And we are getting above the 2-day. I was talking about my strategy that I like on this. Let's see if we can get it open and close now above it, because the last 2 times it did get back above it, it got immediately rejected. So you need to be a little cautious of that. But overall, this is looking very damn good. Silver up almost 4% today. Beast, dude, silver's chart is just so beast mode. We've been hammering on it for way too damn long. And yeah, I mean, this just looks like it's getting follow through. If we start making some local new highs, higher lows, I mean, this is just working its way up. Looks really good. I don't have any issues with this chart. Just kind of holding this cluster area at about 26. It looks phenomenal. Platinum just also looking good. I mean, look at this slow grind up on these EMAs. This is like what Doge and ADA and a lot of these other coins look like before they took off to the moon. So, precious metals, man, looking really good. And again, we've already been hammering how good the monthly now looks on platinum and silver. The monthly is super sexy. I mean, so all that looks really good. Palladium getting a little rejection from this 3,000 area at this target, but as long as it's holding about 2850, it's just kind of in this little sideways consolidation, so nothing really there. And interestingly enough, the world index is rolling over today. This is the 5th day in a row of a down candle, and so that is a little concerning also for major markets. They're not really getting a follow through from consolidating at highs at the moment, so we just have to see. Doge falling. Don't do it, Doge. And of course my freaking money gets trapped up wherever the hell it is, locked in the Doge chain somewhere and not showing any. No peers, like 3 peers in 24 hours. What the crap is that, man? Makes me a little bit mad about Doge. Kind of pisses me off a little bit. Not, it's like whatever really about the money at this point, but it's like, come on, Doge. But I guess how they haven't had developers work on that shit in like since it started pretty much. So, but it's the future of currency. It's like, yeah, I don't know about that. I love Doge and all that. Don't get me wrong, but let's not get crazy hopium here. Alright, I'm just logging into something over here to see something. Maybe the Doge change is dumb and not updating in the wallet properly. I'll go check the exchange. Maybe it got posted there. Possibly. Alrighty. You can do it. Oh, man. These freaking moves, guys. Absolute bananas, dude. You never go full retard. The 20. Dang it. Messed it up. It's not right. It's not right. I got to retry. Oh my god, these old captchas. Click the picture of the bridge. Sometimes the resolution on the picture is so shitty, it's like you can't even tell what it says. Or what it picture is. 8. Alright, there we go. Is there a US index like the world index? Well, I mean, S&P would just kind of be that pretty much. That is like regarded as the originalist stablecoin. Yeah, I mean the U.S. index is you could pretty much default to the S&P on that one. That is most of the main thing. Yeah, it never got through, man. I never got the deposit either on the. Damn, so I guess I lost my Doge, man. What the fuck, dude? That's lame as hell. Well. Guess I gotta just write that off. That sucks. Well, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? It's terrible. Dogecoin just making me lose money. I don't. Have you had any problems? Anyone in here that's like, have you moved Doge from just like the regular, wallet, multi-Doge wallet? It's just what I was using, just the OG wallet, and it's just not. It won't work. It's been almost 24 hours. Nothing. No, not even pending anything. It's just dead in the water. All right, so maybe Doge buying opportunity here. I don't know. It's a little bit frothed up for me. I'm definitely not going to put too much capital on that. Like maybe I did take a little bit of a stab, just small position for now, but I also have it very tightly managed. Anything back below about like 54 cents, I'm donezo. It's pretty brutal, dude. You do your Doge on exchanges. Okay. Brutal sell-off in weed stocks. What's going on with that? Let's go to the MJ list and peep the scene. Oh, it's Tilray's mostly just getting hit really hard. Double digits. Most everything is just kind of whatever. TRTC's chilling. Cannabis. A couple up, but nothing too crazy. Where's ACB? What is it doing? ACB. I kind of like that. Man, this CGC move, that's pretty mean. It means I'm taking a little bit of a hit on that. Oh, yeah, but that one was already close to max loss anyway on my futures, or on my options bull spread, so that didn't even affect me. It's already shit anyway, so whatever on that. Just hoping for a miracle bounce on that one for me to get out, but like that's a really small position. It's definitely not breaking the bank or nothing. All right, so that's it for that. Okay, some weed stock stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna still wait on these just because with the kind of the stalling in equities, I'm just gonna be patient. No need to rush. Damn, just dump fest. What did they miss earnings? I guess I don't know. Just fucking totally down after trying to break out. Maybe it'll make a new high, another higher low though. Kind of looks like it's trying to do that. Flat, higher low. Next higher low? Maybe. On DigitalOcean. Why the hell is... Oh, sorry. I'm tripping. I thought I was in my other watch list. Derp move. Yeah, not very good. Ew, not very good. Yeah, a lot of these I'm about to just take off this list because, I mean, I guess it's coming to this previous horizontal, so that's decent. Do have earnings. Looks like maybe they're after hours, or maybe they already had them and they're just not posted on TradingView yet or something. I don't know. Yeah, whatever. Nope, don't care. Q, this thing. All the way back down to this horizontal. Is this a buy zone down here? Maybe. Patience. I'm going to be waiting on that too. Uh-oh. GTT breaking down right here. GTT, you know me. It just is selling off. I just got a cheap call spread on that, so that's not really happening. I did check Dixie earlier. Weren't you in here when I was going through the list? What are you doing, bruh? Come on, bruh. Rule number 1, pay attention. Let's look at this rule here. Yeah, man, yeah, damn, that's interesting. This ratio is showing that we've put in a top on markets, so that's interesting. No, Dixie's it's the same shit. I mean, it's just this trend line is all you got to watch on Dixie, and if you wanted to keep it simpler, horizontal, as long as it's above 90, 50, it looks fine. Getting a little rejection here from this, and, you know, to be fair, all the oscillators are pretty much pointing down. EMA is opening down. DMI is mostly dominant to bears, but just given where this is making higher lows, I'm defaulting to horizontals on this. And at 950, 9050, it's all good in the hood. In das Hood. Let's see. No. Don't want any of that. Look at these metal stocks. Hecla Mining, let's go, baby. Let's get it in. This is what I'm talking about. That's silver, sexiness, talking about it. They even beat earnings today, giving them a nice little catalyst. I loves it. Very, very nice. Yeah, that's super sexy. I mean, silver, gold, y'all know about it. If y'all been paying attention on the channel, we talk about how awesome the precious metals have been shaping up on the lower term time frames. Oh, man, look at this. Getting all the silver stocks running pretty damn hard today. What is this? This is weird. It's like double earnings. I've never seen that before. Oh, yeah, man. Silver, dude, metals, guys, might be the play right now. See if it's not quite all the way confirmed, because we do need gold to keep up right here and keep putting that pressure on. I could totally see a little bit of pushback from this level, because there is a lot of horizontal kind of support resistance at this 1820-ish level, kind of right where we ran to. And so I wouldn't be surprised to see a pullback to retest like 1780s and then see what happens there. Maybe give an opportunity to re-get long if maybe you missed some of this stuff here. It's giving you plenty of time, though. Like we were talking about, as long as this bitch is holding about 1750-ish where this horizontal is, you know, I've been in buy the dip mode, getting it in. So definitely one of my better trades this week. What's my worst trade? My worst performer today is, oh, Vertcoin is slapping me a little bit. Oh, that's okay, whatever. HPI, oh damn, this one's breaking down a little bit. That kind of sucks, but it's right here on the bottom, so I'm not going to let that shake me out until, let's see. And it's a really small position. Hell, I might actually add to it. I forgot that I barely went in like a quarter size of my normal positioning. So, sorry about that. Oh my god, Jesus Christ. Okay. Yeah, shit, I actually might buy and add to this a little bit. Oh, yes, yes. Let's go weekly. What is weekly looking like? Okay. So I got a little bit of, what's the 3-day? Right there, 2-day, just barely hanging on. 2-day closes today too. But I mean, it's like right there. I mean, this low is like 4, what is that? Let's see, 401. Yeah, it's not even about 5%. And anything back below that like $4 range is probably iced up. Let's look at volume profile, see if we got any little clues there. Oh my god, look, volume profile, slice and price, literally like right where we are. So I like that. How far can we go back to where that stays true? Looks like for a long time. Actually, its whole lifetime chart is pretty much right here in the 4 handle. Interesting. All right. So yeah, I'm actually going to add a little bit to this. Definitely higher risk trade. Biotech, healthcare stuff is generally in that realm. But since I started with a tiny position, that lets me have some room to be flexible. All right, so we're gonna ship that out. See if we can get filled. Oh, it filled me on 1 share so far. All right. Hell yeah. Oh, part slapping me. This one is kind of rolling back over to the mama right at the end, but as long as it's holding the mama here at about $15-ish, it's all right. Definitely not my favorite though. Jesus, man. Let's see. This thing just continuing to sell off, looking real ugly. Where is this? This is a really small position I have too, though, so not really doing anything with that. Pal, come on, pal, don't you do it. I actually found out recently that this company bought gunbroker.com, which I had no idea. So that's pretty interesting. That's one of the, I think it's the biggest gun trading site in the country, so yeah, but I'm still going to hold on to this as long as it's holding. Yeah, I got a short put on it at $7.50, and I sold it for $1.50 though. So I've got protection all the way down to $6 even, roughly. So don't care about that. I'll hold it until it starts breaching that zone. Oh, let's see here. Nokia, what are you doing, Nokia? Man, Nokia floating up here like this is actually pretty damn sexy. Anything back above about $5, this bitch might go into like a blue sky type thing. I know we have this big Wall Street bets retardo pump, but we'll go into like local blue sky and probably be able to target up there about $7-8, man. Like, we're letting the EMAs catch up. I mean, this is what we were kind of looking for when I took off the trade over here on this day. Just kind of waiting for the consolidation, see if the market liked it. It does look like the market indeed does like this price action. So Nokia, and I still have a bull call spread on this too, so I'm just holding that for now. Pets.com for Pow Pow. I don't know if it's that bad. Pets.com was totally special ed stuff. Maybe Petco would be a good one for that. Red coin just chilling. This is super speculative play that I'm doing right now. If it doesn't play out pretty much though in the next couple of days, I'll probably take it off. That one has an expiration time on it. APD looking nice, just riding up these EMAs. That slow grind, guys. This is great. And it's going into earnings, so you do have a little bit of... When is that? That's not until next week, though, I think. Yeah, next Monday. So you do have a little bit of a possible volatility coming up there. But the way this is shaping up, I mean, I really like this slow grinding on the EMAs. Everything looks pretty damn sexy on this. Let's see here. Nokia, we already did that. Gay metals. Bitcoin Gold rallying hard like everything else, except for Bitcoin itself. That's the only thing that's not rallying. But this looks fine above this horizontal at about 124. Yeah, probably bump it up to about 130. As long as it's above 130, it looks pretty damn good. And this sucks, actually. Why am I using this crappy chart? Hold on, let me get a real chart here. There we go. Much better. I'm actually going to take this off the list and add this one because kind of... There we go. All right. Wait, did that just... Oh, it's because it's USDT. I see what happened there. No, we just want USD tether. Ba-doom. Ba-dow. All right. Yeah, so looks... Oh, man, on this chart, though, it's like supports all the way down at like 120. Ouch. See if we can get this daily closing above 159. That'd look real sexy. But, yeah, just rallying like everything else is today. Insano moves. Let's go to the crypto watch list. What is not up? Vite, Pundix, Waves. Waves has been up for a while, though. ADX kind of selling off a little bit. I mean, it's right in this stupid range. So is Decred. UMA just do... Man, UMA is just... What the hell, man? It just can't get no love. It's been flat since February. Ain't doing shit. Link. Oh, we already did Link earlier. Crow. Nothing new on that. Just kind of chilling. Riffraff token. Yeah, we're almost getting the EMAs opening up. Today, if it closes up here, we'll have them, the short-term ones in chrono order, but then we do have the Mama Camel Hump here provide massive resistance at about 36 cents, which coincides with all these local tops, too, on the body and this little mini fake-out blow-off here. So, got to get above 36 cents for me to get excited about that. Ardor, same thing. Needs to get above about 43 cents. Kind of same posturing. Space Case token. Or Space Chain, whatever. It's got that nice grinding up here. Like this. I like this. I don't think US can trade this on Bittrex, though, unfortunately. Bitcoin Cash we already did. My God. Raven, kind of chilling. Huh. Interesting. It's funny how some of these coins that rallied so hard early are just not doing shit since February. ARC, yeah, whatever. I mean, a lot of these are just not super... Oh, here we go. Atom. Atom's looking a little bit more sexy. I like this. Let's see. Yeah, this beast mode candle is kind of confirming. Oh, it's almost higher than this guy. Pretty much this looks real good above about 24 bucks flat, maybe down to about 23. 23 handle in general. This looks like it's attempting to make a run to the low 30s. So Atom actually looking fairly decent here. XEM trying, really needs to get back over 43 cents. This one looks okay. I don't think we can trade this though. I looked on Coinbase. I don't think it was available for the... Maybe it was. Shit, I don't remember. There's so many damn coins right now. It's just ridiculous. Algo, this is actually nice getting that follow through. This actually looks really good above like 140. I do like this chart. No momentum though on the DMI. So again, just like we were talking about that February shit, it's just like everything's in this just gigantic range since February. It's like blah. Look at that, just whatever. I mean, that's a big range, to be fair. I mean, that's like 30-something% down. But, hey, welcome to crypto. Oh, IOTA. I like this chart. IOTA looks pretty nice. We don't have any momentum oscillators yet giving us any clues, but this the lowest time frame is starting to get a little bit bullish. In the daily setup, I like this reaction. Anything back above 220, I do think this will start running pretty hard. See if we can get DMI and RSI in the next couple days to get some momentum on them. But so far, this is actually shaping up to be pretty damn sexy. ADA, we already did that earlier. And 1 inch. Oh, look at 1 inch making some new highs. Breaking out of that February super sideways action. Very nice. You can see it consolidating on top of the Mama in the 550 zone. Very sexy. See if this daily can close above like 650-ish. That would be awesome. And I think 1 inch would be good for dip opportunity buying if we can close this above 650. We still got about 5 hours left, so a lot of time, a lot of shit can happen. But definitely looking a lot stronger. And we do have DMI getting dominant today too. So very good chart. That's actually going to get bumped up over. Whoops. That's getting bumped up over to the green list. It has been greenlit. So let's go look at some greenlit stuff. Obviously, silver anything is going to be pumping today. Bancor token. Oh, yeah, I like this. Just little chill, just hanging out. Right after this, resetting over the mama. This looks pretty good. Man, that would have been a nice dip buy on that this morning. Yeah, this is looking pretty damn sexy on Bancor token. I really like this chart above about $7. Anything back below $7, I'd be a little bit concerned. Yeah, this is shaping up to be pretty damn nice, though. Mirror protocols, still okay. Kind of ugly rejection candle the other day. That's not the best look, but hey, man, as long as it's holding like $10, it looks fine. So don't want to overthink it. I'm trying to get rid of that from my brain, overthinking stuff. What time is it? 1:30. Okay. Bat token getting some follow through today. Bat actually is starting to look real good above 130. Very sexy time for Bat. Yeah, weekly getting that pressure put on it. Daily needs some work though to get momentum back on the DMI, but yeah, just hovering above that 130, 125-ish area is going to get that happening just by time going by too, so that's nice. Let's see here. Let's go to Tron. Tron looking a lot. Man, a lot of these charts actually that we're looking through here almost look all the same, don't they? Except for Bancor, but Mirror, Bat, Tron all look very, very similar. Man, same thing, above 13 cents. This looks really good. Tron looks like it's trying to make a move. And look at this. You've got DMI getting bullish again on this daily close. And all it has to do is close above about 14 cents, and that's going to be confirmed. Eve kind of selling back into these EMAs, but just retesting this consolidation, the upper range of this consolidation here. Man, looks pretty damn good above about 430. Yeah, these greenlit ones over here are pretty damn sexy. This one's the least sexy, probably Filecoin. Weirdly enough, it still has chronological order somehow, just barely. But man, I guess technically just this thing above like 135 looks okay. Can't really hate on it too much. Oh my god, look at this. I did fib extension targets, I guess, back here on low time frames. You can, what the hell? How funny, dude. And I was targeting 170. Jeez. Damn, fib extensions, dude. Sometimes that magical TA shit works. It's voodoo, man. Get that voodoo. All right, so that looks pretty good. Equities, is there anything in there? Maybe energy, possibly. Let's go look at some energy stocks. There might be some good buys, possibly with oil kind of looming down. Oh yeah, Oxy. Damn it, earnings coming up. It's not my favorite to take trades right before earnings, unless I'm like, oh wow, they destroyed their earnings. On CDEV, this is actually starting to look real good above like 420. Yeah, hell yeah, 420, man. Bruh. That's what I'm talking about. Everybody's favorite number.
Smoke weed every day.
Let's see. Yeah, $24 actually. This looks pretty good. Yeah, I might put in some bull call spreads or maybe put spreads depending on the option chain on some of these. Let me go to the energy rebounders and see if there's anything better in there. Yeah, Oxy actually looks to be one of the better ones. Oh, Fang actually has a pretty good setup right here too, and we are past earnings and they did good. Oh yeah, actually like this one. Fang, only about 8% risk on this. Let's go weekly. Oh, weekly, banging up. Oh yeah, I like this one. Oh, especially if oil stays bid. This looks pretty damn nice. Super sexy time. Let me go look at the options book on this and see what it be looking like. Fang. Diamondback energy. You like that? Diamondback. Rattlesnake, bitches. Alright, let's see here. June. We'll go out to June. Nah, that's not far enough. That's only 43 days. I mean, it's almost far enough. Ugh, damn, the options on it are not real great. 430 at 60. That's close. I can pull this over here if you want to see that, what I'm looking at. I'm just checking out my the options matrix here. Let's see. Yeah, I mean 430 at 60. That's not terrible. Let's see. It's a little bit. It starts to get a little concerning down here, though. Let's look at some targets. What can we be looking for on this? Like $100 looks like. Oh, a little over 100, like 110. So if we were trying to structure something with that. Oh, the 110 is way too wide to trade. Yeah, and there's not that much volume on these either, so you're going to have to pretty much pay the market maker on the ask. Shit. Options, damn it. Damn it. Woo! Yeah, that's not my favorite. Options chain. Might have to just go straight stock on that one. How about Oxy? Does OxyClean have some? Oh my god, I'm sorry about the mic on and off thing. I just sneezed like 4 times in a row. Jesus Christ. Alright, body. Purge of the grass. Purge me of the grass, please. Alright. Let's go to Oxy. See if they got some better options on them. They do. Look at this. Oxy's got some pretty nice options on it. This is very playable. Only a few pennies wide. I likey. So that's something I'm definitely going to throw a trade on then. Let's see, about 22-ish. And target about 40. Whoa, holy crap, $40. Filled this gap. Damn it, but it's got the earnings. Son of a bitch. Alright, let's see what I can make here. Let's see if we do. Let's see, we can do the, what's IV on these is it's about 50, so that's pretty high. I can probably just sell a put on this then. Let's see here, Padal. And at the money, 26 is giving you $1.86, so giving you protection down to about, shit, what is that? Almost $2, so like upper 24s, mid 24s. Yeah, that's actually not too shabby. Huh. How about a call spread? What can we do on that? That takes up a lot less buying power doing those because your risk is defined on a put. If you just sell a put naked, that's pretty much the same as going long 100 shares per contract. So let's see. You just have a little bit of a cushion because you collect credit for that. Maybe we'll do the 40. And if we take by the third rules, that puts us at like 32. Okay, that's not too bad because that's right at the all-time highs. I kind of like that. Our previous areas. And we keep in the third rule. Oh, crap. That's not the one I wanted to do. Hold up. Oh, here, let me show you what I'm doing, I guess, over here. I might as well. So I'm just looking at this. So I was looking at just selling the straight put, which you can do. You're getting about $1.80 something for it. So And with IV above 50, that's pretty good. But I'm thinking instead of it locking up lots of buying power and with earnings coming up, I think I'm going to just do defined risk just in case we get kind of some crazy gap down or something. And so, yeah, this is only 87-cent debit per one lot. So you only can lose a max of 87 cents, which is $1. You have to times it by 100. I'm sorry, my God, that didn't make any sense. You have to times it by 100, so this is actually $87. You just move that decimal over. Right. 2 times. And so you can easily do that for the options for the actual dollar amount, notional-wise. And I can make the difference of this spread maximum. So from 28 to 32 is $4. It's costing me 87 cents. Let's just round it to $1. So I can make a max of $3 and lose a max of $1 on this trade. So I'm going to probably ship that. Down knife to 55. Oh yeah, is Doge taking a poop on itself? Yeah, I mean, I'm Doge is probably hyped out, man. We're only 2 days away. Maybe it has one more blow off, but yeah, man. Wish I would have traded my trading plan from the weekend and late last week. No, I have not looked at GBTC yet. Late last week, that was my trading plan. Listen to some of my videos. It's like, oh yeah, just be long Doge and some cryptos until about Wednesday or Thursday, and then take a lot of the shit off, because there should be a lot of hype into the weekend for the Doge father. But of course, discipline is hard, right? The world is full of talent, but what it lacks is discipline. It's usually why traders go bust. You can make money and do great for 10 years in a row and then lose it all in like a year or so. That happens all the time. What is that? Stay disciplined, my friends. Alright, let's see. I'm trying to ship this out. That's what I'm doing. Alright, let's go on the low end. See if that market maker will let me get it on the cheat sheet. Come on. Give me a fill, Phil. Give me a fill, Phil. Oh, it's at 86. At 92 is the spread right now. So I'm going to see if I can get filled at 87. Nope, doesn't want to fill me. I don't really want to sit and worry about this too long. So I'm going to work it up probably to 90 cents and see if I can get filled at mid-price. Usually you can get filled at mid-price. Most of the time. Okay, yeah, I just got filled, it looks like a little below mid-price at 89 cents. So I'm filled at 89 cents on that guy. We'll see what happens for the OxyClean on... Oh, what the hell? Oh, I'm still trying to get filled on that AHPI too. Alright, so Oxy Powder needs to get bumped into the red list. Alright, let's go over here to the podcast list and see what's Dogecoin doing. Ah, no, don't do it. You're dumping. Oh my God. See, look, it's dumping, dude. It's going to 0. Ah. I'm kidding. This is a stupid 7-minute time frame. Whatever. Pfizer got small. Hey, what's up, Mr. Rock? Doge knife down to 55. Yeah, it did knife down to actually a little bit lower. It looks. Oh no, you're right. Nope, 53.7. So yeah, Doge hype looks like it's getting a little bit of pressure on it now. So maybe it can just hover above like 50 cents and get one more damn pump Friday and into Saturday. I could totally see that into Saturday night. But man, dude, I would not be holding a lot of Doge Saturday night. No way, man. No way. I think that is a high risk. Super high risk play. Let's go look at GBDC. What are they doing? Yeah, buy the rumor, sell the news, right? Uh-oh. Selling off more. Micro, dude, don't you be breaking this box. That's not sexy. This thing is being a little punk, just like Bitcoin. Not sexy time. It's literally been going sideways since February, which generally at the top of a range is bullish. to be fair. So I'm not like super bearish or anything. But it's just concerning that this is not getting no momentum. We better not close this weekly below the 21. And then that would concern me a little bit. If we actually got a body close below the 21, that would be a little bit concerning. Riot's actually about, oh shit, Riot's dumping today. Holy crap. Ooh, that's not cool. Uh-oh. Shit. Yeah, damn. This is going to have to rally really hard, man, tomorrow. Or this is going to be a pretty definitive bearish close on this pattern. And I'd probably look for price action to continue down into the 20s. That's pretty rough. Let's go look at GBDC. Just a whole bunch of nothing burgers. Just chilling, sideways range, boring like Bitcoin. Ain't doing shit. Yeah, I mean, it's actually technically bearish, really, on DMI and below like 48 bucks. It doesn't look great. Yeah, I mean, this is just super annoying with Bitcoin right now. Getting left in the dust. ETCG, though, what? Let's go to the moon just this week alone, 200%. What? Yeah, that's right, all in. I'm going all in right now. I'm getting a title loan on my car, dude. I'm going to the bank and getting extracting some. Oh, what the hell? Extracting some equity out of the house. I'm going all in, bros. Let's go look at Pfizer, actually. What is that? PFE. Oh, yeah, okay. Did it hit earnings? Yeah, hit earnings, all right. Market didn't really care. Put in this little ugly doji candle. This sucks. This is like a spinning top candle. That's not cool. Yeah, I don't have any Pfizer anymore, but yeah. Let's go weekly. So you said they're doing what now? Got smoked because the Prez wants to undo their Covent patents. What does it even mean, undo their patents? Like, they can't have... I don't know. I don't really understand that. Not selling, though. Yeah, I mean, it's getting caught right here at this 38 handle, so that's kind of cool. That's pretty strong, to be fair. It does have bearish divergence, though, from this to this with a spinning top candle. Not the sexiest daily setup, though. I will say that. And weekly is kind of... not too sexy either. But I mean, it's only 7% down to like major threatening of this short-term structure. Yeah, there's a couple that I don't really like this daily setup though, but as long as it's holding about 38 bucks, it's okay. It's just real close to threatening to maybe drop another like 5-10% from here. Conversely though, anything back above like yeah, shit, it's really got to be back above this doji, like 40 bucks. We probably will continue running with the next target around like 43. But, yeah, I mean, EMAs on the daily and everything still look pretty good. So, how about 3-day? Yeah, the 3-day looks actually really good. Also confirming that $38 level as very important support. So, yeah, as long as it's holding 38 bucks, party on that guy. Oh, man, there's some selling going on. I've lost a good chunk of P&L today already. What is, what's selling off here? What is selling off? Let's go to the podcast list. Uh-oh, Bitcoin, what are you doing? Dump Fest. Hey, man, this is not good. Y'all know I've been real concerned about this stupid Bitcoin chart for a little bit just because the daily can't get over the 618 retracement and the mama. Don't you be breaking back down here and slice through these EMAs again. If it does that again, dude, this thing's probably going to come down to 48,000. Like, Bitcoin needs to stop being a little bitch and get its shit together because it's, oh my, get the shit out of here. XRP. Man, we got some heat coming in right now. A little bit of heat. But look at all this. Holy crap. Look at this. We're getting a lot of pushback off some of these highs here just from the stream. Interesting. Just from the start of the stream, I mean. Okay. Damn, we don't want to start getting lots of rejections around the board on all these. Wow, look at this. Giving it all. Holy crap. Dude. Whoa. Whoa. Hey, now. Whoa. Whoa. It means other countries can contract other companies to make vaccines using Pfizer tech without paying for it. Ah, gotcha. Okay. So maybe that does affect their income a little bit, possibly. Dude, yeah, what the hell? This is fugly. This is fugly as shit right here. Yeah, wow. Okay. Well, interesting pressure getting put on these coins right now. You're in cash BBY. Wait, what is BBY? Are you talking about Best Buy? Isn't that Best Buy? BBY? Yeah, that's Best Buy. You're in cash Best Buy. Wait, I don't understand that. ID gaff. I don't know. Are you talking English? What does that mean? I don't know what the hell that means. Say, come at me, knives. Can't touch this. Man, speaking of Best Buy, it actually kind of looks pretty good right here above 116 bucks. It's still in this super sideways consolidation, though, like all the tech companies, like the FANGs. Wow, how weird. Hey, but this actually is good as long as it's holding up here, man. We break out of 125, dude. This thing probably immediately goes to 135 and probably 140. Oh, baby. B equal. Man, just put the A in there. It's like one letter. Trying to shorten baby. Yeah, I know you're just joking, but I was just like trying to understand what the hell's you was saying. Baby. Yeah, sorry, I just think in tickers and stocks, pretty much my brain's just wired that way. So I'm like, oh, acronyms? That must be a stock ticker. Oh, man, yeah, let's go to the coin checkup real quick. Let's see what's going on here. What's going on here? ETC, well, we already know that. QDM having some run up. Tela, 1 inch. Yeah, nothing really super sexy, though. It's just a handful of the same ones. Bridge Oracle's a new one, though, to join the club. See what the hell it's doing. Hit BTC. Yeah. We gotta zoom in a little bit. Yeah, this sucks. Don't care about that. Yeah, nothing really selling off either. Yeah, not really getting much from that, but yeah, getting some pressure, man. I'm getting a little pressures. Let's see. Litecoin down. Dude, yeah, what the hell happened? Because you got to zoom in. I guess crack time frames have a little bit of benefit to see just like, whoa, the magnitudes of some of these sell-offs. Jeez. Hey, maybe this is an opportunity zone for Litecoin coming back to retest the 317 area. Maybe. I don't know. I don't want to be heavy into Saturday night, man. I just don't. I am not a fan of... Okay. Russell dumping more. Ooh, yeah. Look at the accelerating in markets, too. Looks like that's not... The markets are not immune to it either. So, yeah. So, there's just general selling across the board right now of all markets. That's interesting. How about in gold? Is gold staying bid up? Yeah, gold stay, except for gold and silver. Platinum. The precious metals are doing really good still. Oil's that getting some more selling pressure? Just kind of chilling. So oil's actually faring okay too. Huh, interesting. How about municipal bonds? I got to keep an eye on those. Ooh, they're kind of rolling over. They better be holding this 116 area. Oh, that's not sexy time. These are trying to get sexy, but nothing yet. HYG actually looks okay, above 86 bucks. Not too terrible. Tips, nice rally on these. We were looking at these on Monday. Great follow through, super sexy chart. Didn't buy any though, of course. Whoops. Whoops. It's just hard to keep track of all this stuff, you know. Ooh, ouch. Some of these bet stocks getting murdered, dude. What's Tesla doing? Oh, man, BlackBerry getting to the deep into the abyss. Tesla's selling off too. Man, yeah, wow, shit. There's a lot of selling going on right now. What's going on? Market's getting spooked a little bit. Especially when it's shared across the whatchamacallit. Let's see. Let's go to my positions. I'm going to look at Bitcoin Gold. What is it doing? Yep, it's even giving it up too a little bit. But now, I don't like that. I'm gonna take off some of my crypto here. Yeah, these are pretty swift. These are very swift rejections. Not pretty swift. These are very swift rejections. Interesting. Interesting. Let's see here. Sell that bitch. Alright, I got a good gain on this Bitcoin Gold, so I'm taking that off. Lock that in for now. And since we are coming up, I have been saying I got to stick with my guns. I've been saying I wanted to de-risk before the weekend. And so I don't want to go back because of FOMO and like go all in before the weekend because I missed out on the last 2 days of gains. So I'm going to be very disciplined and stick with my original trading plan and de-risk before Saturday and just wait until after the weekend and see what happens because, hey, that was my, like I said, I'm just trying to stick to the guns here. Let's go see what else am I holding on to. KuCoin. What's KuCoin doing? Selling off a little bit. Dang, right on the threshold, though, at about 1350. And BSV, what's BSV doing? I still got some BSV lingering. Yeah, I'm going to take it off right here, too, with this rejection, or not rejection so far. It's not all the way confirmed, but just this stalling, and then, like, the general market just kind of being a little Selly McSelson. Little after-lunch spook there. Yeah, so I think I'm going to take off some of that BSV action. Because, shit, I bought that shit down here. Like at, like, 220, 230 or something. So, yeah, I'm just going to take that off. Because, hell, I'm going to lock that in. Why not? The risk to reward is not the same from like, over here in this range to right here. This is actually, like, pretty much resistance zone. Oh, shit, excuse me. Dry mouth here. But if we get back above here and retest it, hey, I'll add some risk back on. But, yeah, right now, let's just go ahead and I'm going to dump that trade. All right. Did that fill? Did you give me a fill? Give me a fill, Phil. Alrighty. Took that off, so no more BSV. Actually didn't even have that on my list. I don't know why I didn't have that on there. Oh well, whatever. Not a big deal. Alright. Manage that up. And then... Alright, what else do I got? Eve. Alright. How are y'all positioned, guys? People that are in here, are y'all like full-blown, you know, committed with your capital? Are you half? Or like what kind of percent are you in so far, would you say? Just take a guesstimate on that one. Alright, Oxy. We're going to keep the Oxy powder. I'm just curious, little sentiment test here. Let's see. Maybe opportunity zone for these cryptos dumping? Yeah, I don't think so. I'm gonna wait. Like I said, I just went all in ETC, mortgage the house. Let's go. Tendies. God, can you imagine like the people that are buying just hand over fist up here? You know, like been watching these charts for a long time and how nice and bullish they were getting for at the beginning of the year, and it's like, oh wait, now Now I'm getting in at ETC over 100. That's a great deal. And it's like, dude, what the hell? Oh, here, y'all want. I know Scott wants to go look at this, so we're just gonna go look at it real quick for you, Mr. Scott. Look at that. Still hanging around 3.5, or it's not pennies. I guess it's all in XLMs. 3.5 XLMs. Momentum waning though, and the volume over the last day. Let's go candlestick chart. Let's get to daily. See what that looks like. What can we make this? Oh my gosh, that's so much white. I hate the white. I only like black charts, man. Wish you could put some technicals on this. It looks okay though, above this wick here at 2.7 penny XLM pennies, 2.7 XLM pennies. Looks okay. Oh man, yeah. Jeez, but Jeebus Christ. Pretty awesome. This, we start getting more rounded. We better take this out pretty soon, or we're gonna start getting kind of distribution stank over here. Whoa, weird candle. Look at this daily. Pump, dump, closed, pump. This thing is crazy, man. It's so crazy. Yeah, 2.7 though. It looks okay. All cash. Rock is 28 cash, 20 cash on crypto. Oh, wow. So you're 80% committed right now, Rock, huh? That's, you got that risk appetite on right now, huh? Yeah, there's no way in hell I'm going into 80% crypto into Saturday. There's 0% chance I will do that. Let's see. What is Eve doing? I'm not. This shit just stinks so much of a rumor, buy rumor, sell news event kind of thing. So, let's see. Where is. I don't even have it on here. So I have another one. So I got into Eve yesterday. Let's see what it's doing. I need to actually add this. Oh, it's on my green list, but it needs to be on the red list because I have some. Yeah, Eve is okay. I might still hold this one until it breaks like 435-ish. We'll hold that. Because I mean, I'm like 80. I'm the opposite of you, Rock. Okay, yeah, I'm like 80% cash now. I'm actually, since I took off Bitcoin, SV, and what else did I take off? Bitcoin Gold. I had some pretty decent positions on in there, so that's put me probably at like 85% cash now. Oh, I actually need to go pull up Bittrex and look on there and see what I've got going on that Bittrex. I'm losing some money on Vertcoin. I did buy some Vertcoin. What? What? Is that right? There it is. Third time's the charm. Alright, let's go. Yeah, taking it on the chin a little bit with that Vert. Down about 8%, but it wasn't a huge position, so not a huge deal. What else do I got in this? Oh man, I got Crown. What the hell? I'm holding something called Crown Coin in Bittrex. What is this thing? Okay, okay. Oh wow, it's actually gaining a pretty nice Bitcoin relative strength. Huh. Dollar-wise, though, it's already ran pretty damn good. Yeah, shit, I'll probably... Man, 20%? Ew, that makes me not as excited for that. How big is that position? Oh, it's like insignificant. I don't even know why I have that on there. What the hell? Yeah, I'm going to take that off right now. It's just looking ugly on my stupid chart. That's like a nothing position. I guess then I could maybe just hold it and say... F it. Maybe it goes up double. Alright, moving to them stables. What time is it? 2 o'clock. Oh, we still got plenty of time for the market closes. Let's go back over to those and see what they're doing. Ethereum getting slapped. Ripple's now down on the day. Wow, yeah, that sucks for Ripple. What the hell is that? Pumped up pretty good, and now it's down on the day. Damn it, garlic bread. How could you? Oh, another question. Is anyone in here thinking about shorting stuff? Particularly in crypto. Anybody thinking about possibly getting their willies wet with some short action? Maybe? Thought about doing that with Doge at like 60-something cents. I didn't pull the trigger, though. I was a little bit scared. But... yeah, right to that's, what is it, 71. I just put a short on Riot. Oh, snap, dude. Look at you. Is that one easy to borrow? How'd you do it? Did you just go straight short? Or did you do options? I don't know if anyone in here trades options or not. I don't think so, but I feel like I've asked that before. Oh, I got filled on my AHPI, so whatever happened there with that little dump fest probably just gave it a little bit more push to the downside. All right. Because it was just filling like 1-2 shares at a time. But now I got that filled up. So we'll see what happens there. Now it's almost a full position on that one now. And anything back below this $4 range, what is this about? Like 5% below here, I will let go of this. Hold on, where's my damn alert function? We need that. Crossing down. Good to go. What do I got on this list? I'm still... Do I want to take off the Doge here? You know, it's funny, guys. I was talking about all this stuff, and I'm trying to get better with this and show, like, on stream just certain trades that we take and manage or whatever. This isn't a real account. As you can see, it does say paper right here. But I'm just doing it because I don't know, like, the legalities of, like, showing my actual positions and stuff, like, on stream live and, like, any kind of that. So I'm just doing it with fake because I don't want to hire a lawyer and ask them all that. Not enough people even watch this anyway for that to matter, I don't think. But I'm just trying to be safe. But yeah, so I'm trying to keep like a little record of things that we found that looked really good. And so you can see though, I managed to hold Dogecoin on the paper trading account from 26 cents. And I did originally have about like 35,000, I think, but I took off 15,000 of them yesterday just to take some profits. Man, XLY just killing it, man. We were looking at this one way back over here at 101 bucks was the fill price on this, and this thing has just been freaking beast mode. Those water stocks, man. Let's go to them actually. H2O. It looks like they're all just, well, not all of them. American Waterworks isn't pumping that hard. CWT got slapped real hard. I'm glad I took that off. So dodged that one. But man, XYL is the absolute manic one on this. Jeez. Holy crap, man. Is this blue skying right now? Oh, it is. Holy shit. Blue sky on industrial machinery and water stuff. And it pays a really cool dividend yield of almost 1%. But yeah, pretty good pump right there. And again, this was like a small position. I was just using it to show kind of what's up. Good gains though. You know what? We're just gonna take it off. Whatever. No, we're not. I'm kidding. We're not gonna take it off. I'm not gonna take it off until it goes back below 116. I am going to take off some more of this Doge, though. Take off another 10,000. Alrighty. Okay, so... But now, where are we at now? Let's go back over here. I want to see what happened with Bitcoin. You redid some stuff so I can short WTBC. I'm guessing you meant wrapped Bitcoin. A little typo there. Or WETH if you want to. Okay. There you go. Okay. Not too shabby. Yeah, I haven't shorted anything yet, but I am thinking about it for sure. I really want to short Ethereum Classic. Is really what I want to short. I'm not sure where you can. I'm sure there's futures on some of the obscure exchanges for Ethereum Classic, because that's a pretty big one. Let's see. Where would that maybe be on? Let's see. Maybe we can find it. Where are you? ETC. You got some ETC futures? Let's see here. Ow, what the hell? Dang, that hurt. ETC futures. No. Oh, wait, hold on. Hold on. Yeah, okay, there are some futures for Ethereum. Yes, indeed. Whoa, what is this? Hold on, let me zoom in a little bit. Because this is just... God, I'm going to have to zoom in a lot to even see this. Wow, up to 173. Okay, interesting. Interesting. God, yeah, man, I just don't understand. Or, like, imagine you buying Doge token up here. It's like, oh, we're doing them all in. Oh, man, it's just so funny. There's always a sucker born, right? There's always a greater fool. Oh, bitty bits, you better hold on right here again. Don't you be going back below that area. Oh, what is equities doing? What they be doing? Actually, I need to pull up my my tick charts here. I haven't looked at those today yet. Installing updates. Yep, there's like updates every day when I open this. I guess that's a good thing. Keeping it fresh. Keeping it fresh. Alright, let's see here. I just shorted BTC. I shorted the same amount as I own. Oh, you're just hedging it off. Okay, yeah, that's a good way to do it. So, just a freaking hedgy poo. That's funny, dude. I have my BTC in an interest-bearing account. Oh, okay, yeah, that's a good way to do it, man. That's smart. Alright, let's see what's going on here. What are you shorting with, if you don't mind me asking? Like, what platform? Ooh, bearish. Ooh, look at that. Oh, yeah, gold. Let's go, bitches. Love it. Sloppy moves a little bit on indices today, except for Dow. Just got long signal all the way back over here on Tuesday, pamping. A little confused on NASDAQ here, a little back and forth. But man, gold, let's go, gold. Yeah, nothing too crazy on that right now. Anybody trading futures with the micros yet? Anyone doing that? You can just short like that, and that's in a real, on a real exchange like the CME in BT. Let's go look at the volume actually on those guys. See how many people are trading them. Let's see, the Maze. Most of the volume's probably out in June, though. Oh, no, it's not. Okay. They're on the super front month. Ah, damn it. This is where we do got to zoom in to see the volume on something that just came out this week. Well, you can see there's more players coming in. You're getting like better looking candles from the earlier in the week. They're looking real sloppy gaps. I mean, there's some candles in here that had no trades on them at all. Let's see, trying to kind of get a feel on this volume here. Yeah, I mean, there's some people in there trading it. All right. I mean, this is appealing to retail now because, I mean, in the other contract in the regular Bitcoin futures, you had to put up like 200 grand to open it. So, or let's see what it is now. It might be less. Does TD have them? I don't remember if TD has them or not. Let me go over here. What the hell is that ticker for Bitcoin futures? This way here. Yeah, so you're... Oh, okay, so it's... Oh, it is. It's pretty much 200 grand. It's like 180 grand they make you put up. And so for micros, I think it's only like 3 grand or something like that. Every broker's slightly different. But I think it's around 3K. Yeah, about 3,500. So that's way more palatable for retail than... I mean, the average trading account in traditional brokerages only has about 50K in it. So, you know, that pretty much puts everybody out. Big dead cats on BTC. You borrowed on... Okay. Are you not, like, concerned about that at all? Like, if the market really, really starts taking beatings on there, that some of those might get compromised? That's my biggest concern about using, like, wrapped stuff to short. I'd much rather short on futures or maybe, like, a Bitcoin futures exchange. Because there's quite a few of them that are even available to the U.S. So, like, Kraken you can use is probably the big U.S. one. But yeah, I'm just kind of curious. Like, all the different counterparty risk in those make me a little concerned about using that as a hedge off. I'd much rather use this contract right here because I'm not worried about the CME going bust at all. So big dead cats on. Where do you see a dead cat? Oh, are you talking about this right here? This little consolidation? Sorry, not consolidation, but this little bounce right here. Could be dead cat. It did make a lower low. Not lower than this one, but it is lower than this one. And struggling to make a higher high so far, but just being lackluster, man. Yeah, bulls are really trying to fight on this 458. They're both in the power zone, so there is some confusion about who is going to reign supreme out of this run here. Damn, Link down on the day now, 6%. Huh. All right, interesting. Damn, YM still struggling. Looks like we're kind of just stalled out for the day. Nothing really happening. We're all just kind of floating. We had that little sell-off right after lunch, but we're kind of just hanging out, not really doing much. So, it looks like shit is what BTC dominance looks like. It's absolute garbage. It's just to the abyss it goes. I mean, till it breaks that trend. Till it breaks that trend line right here, which is very aggressive too, so it will snap back at some point, and that'll probably happen when we do go into a big correction. Alts are going to dump freaking, 30 to 80%, and a lot of that money is probably going to flow back into Bitcoin and maybe keep it like not dumping as hard. But let's see here. Yeah, I mean, we're getting close to the bottoming sign here from last year, which is this 38, whatever. We'll just call it 40. 38, 40, same shit. Let's see here. See if I can do that. No, I don't want that much leverage. Are you crazy? Yeah, let's do 5,000x, man. All right, let's try that. Alrighty. We'll do that. Just a little bit. Let's see. Coming up under the mama. Wait, hold on. What are you saying, Scott? What's based on the stream yesterday? This is the same pattern from 2017 blow off. Yes, it is. It's almost the exact same pattern right now. Coming up under the mama. Yeah, coming up under the mama. The time, the days, everything is extremely similar. It is a little bit kind of crazy because we are below the that trend line, which we've been watching those for a while. All these same kind of trajectories are almost exactly the same angles too, and so we did get below it. And I know someone in one of our chat groups posted the fractal from 19 too. So let's go to that. Because I know people were taking this out, and I'm sure he's not the only one. He probably pulled that from somewhere. But yeah, a lot of people are saying this is like what's kind of happening now with the market currently. But the problem is it's not at all the same. It's not a good fractal because the issue is, look at where we are postured with the MAs. They're all up. They all look good. Dominance on DMI is still mostly there and only had a little blip right here. Very different posturing if we fast forward to today. We're below the mama. The EMAs are sloppy as hell, and DMI is dominant. So it's not even a fractal of the 2019 run. So you can't. I don't think that's a fair point to that. The one that maybe is a little bit more possible fractal is the 2013 one. If you wanted to do a fractal, I think that one's a little bit more appropriate because we did go sideways. It got below the mama for a little bit, and look how long this took, half a year for this to play out. I think it's something, if it's going to go sideways and not dump like a crazy madman, I think it's more akin to this fractal because this fits a little bit better than the 2019 one. And if we fast forward to today too, you can kind of see if we did something similar like that and go through like the summer slow season and we went to about the same 160 days or whatever, that puts us all the way into the fall, which would be very sexy time for a resurgence and have a Christmas time, which crypto generally does love to do, rally really hard in Christmas times. So I don't think the 29 fractal. Oh, excuse me. I don't think the 2019 fractal, it does not share the same oscillators and technical structure as it does in 2013. I think that would be way more appropriate. But then you also have this one, right? This is almost exactly what it looks like right here. We're like right here pretty much. Now, we didn't go down to the 200 MA yet, which is way down here at like 38,000. Which is a critical area. We start breaking those, that's when we really got to be concerned about the overall bull market cycle right now is about upper 30s. But yeah, I think it's a little bit more akin to this kind of structure here. So, and again, fractals, they can look kind of the same, but you definitely don't want to hang your hat on fractals either. Like, you never want to just use one thing. And right now, I'm just watching this as its kind of own independent deal. And as long as it's just staying right here and hovering around the mid fives, it's okay. But yeah, we start getting any more pressure, I'd start to look for some pretty swift downside moves. And just getting over this damn mama and the 618 and all this business. I mean, that's 59 to 60,000 area is just stacked with sellers right now. Lots of supply right there. Let's see here. Yeah, so you didn't comment on my question, Rock, about the, I'm guessing you feel confident enough to put your money in there because it's there, but this are big candles selling under the mama. These are big candles selling under the mama. Yeah, I mean, they're pretty big. I mean, we haven't been under the mama either since September, last year before the bull run really started picking up. So, You know, you can't dismiss that. And then the way the alts are acting too, I mean, it eerily reminds me of late 2017, most definitely. Most definitely. And how long is that since the Corona crash? Let's see how many days that is. Oh, look at that. It's about 420 days. Ah, hell yeah, bruh. And how long was it when we did the mega crash in 2015? Kind of the same thing. Oh my god, it was 800 days. When we broke out here, about 300 days. Okay, so a little bit different posturing, you know, makes sense. We're not going to get them exactly the same. It's not that easy. Otherwise, we'd all be super, super rich. But yeah, just kind of not super sexy. Price action on Bitcoin. Just kind of get your shit together, BTC. Come on, Mama Bear. Come on, Mama Bear. Do it. Yeah, come. Oh, Doge, don't you start closing below this horizontal here. Uh-oh, look. Might be the first candle close below the 10 simple on the lowest time frame that I'm using now. So, momentum getting lost on Dogecoin, which, I mean, come on. We got to take a break at some point, right? Everybody's like, oh, Elon's dick, yes! Alrighty, let's see, what else do we got going on here? Did I get filled on all my stuff that I wanted? Damn, I don't even think Interactive Brokers has the, nah, they're so conservative. They're not even doing, they haven't done any of the crypto stuff. They're not doing no Bitcoin futures. They're not doing anything, which kind of sucks. Now I'm going to have to, like, use a different broker for that, and that's like my main one. Like, I have TOS, but I don't really trade on this at all. I just use it for these charts, but now I might have to move some money over there because I believe they're usually pretty cool. Yeah, they got Bitcoin futures. What are they doing for the what is that? Yeah, so they have them, so that's cool. Might have to sweep some cash over there to trade that. No, actually, I'll do it on TradeStation. I like TradeStation better. Damn, actually, shit, I probably need to do that here soon. 35% cash plus 10% short. Are you going to hold into the weekend, Rock? Oh, ETC. Damn, we're getting double HVP flashes now. That's crazy. I don't think that's ever even happened on Ethereum Classic. No, it has not. Wow. Super aggro move right here. How many percent is this up to the highs? Ooh, 27. That's pretty far. Oh, that's too much. I don't want that much. Now we'll just wait a second. Just chilling. Alright. Trying to think, what else do I have open? Bouncing. No bouncing. Damn, canopy growth just terrible. Terrible. Huh. Long-term holds. All right. Long-term holds. That's ballsies of you. That's real ballsy to long-term hold crypto at these prices, I think. But hey, you know, everybody has their own opinion. For sure. There's no way in hell I'm going to be long-term holding any of these crypto prices. I'll definitely be letting them go when we start breaking major structure, and especially if Bitcoin starts getting back below the 50K level. Oh man, BAT token file. Oh, don't reject like this and go back below the bodies. Come on, 1 inch. You're better than that. Alright, I think I'm going to take off some metals stuff. Let me look here. And Nokia. Let me look at Nokia real fast. Where is Nokia? There it is. Alright, I got a call spread on that. I'm just going to leave that because I'm in the money pretty good. My long call is at 450, which is right below these. Oh, yeah, okay, so that's good. I'm going to keep that because this got some pretty damn strong delta on that guy. If Nokia starts moving real hard to the upside, that'll pay me real good, but it's pretty low risk for me right now. Let's see. I just still don't understand why. What the hell? What the hell just happened? What the hell? One of my brokers, Tasty Works, it just it just made my positions all disappear. Oh, now they're back. That was really weird. Never seen that happen before. Oh, whoa, just like refreshed and whoa, what? What the hell? I gotta restart this. Something funky's happening there. I don't understand that. Alright, I'm going to peel off a little bit of my Hecla mining long, just because, I mean, Hecla mining is up freaking 16% today, and it's right up against these highs. And I will reload on some pullbacks, or just keep what I have already on. So, we're going to do half that position. Hey, come on. Hey, no, damn it. Not 10,000. Jesus. Jeebus Christ. I don't have that position on there. Shit. Wish I did. I'd be balling today. Alrighty then. Alright. Took off half my Hecla there. And I still have Hecla options and some other stuff too. So I'm still very much exposed. But I like to just peel off kind of as I'm working up too, so it just helps my FOMO and other things of that nature. Just emotional capital helps kind of curb that a little bit. Let's see. Spreads seem to be widening. Coin market cap looks. Our coin market is looking a bit panicky. What do you mean, like coin market? This website here, is that what you're referencing? Man, does anyone else think this is kind of weird font? Like, it's kind of, I don't know, it's not very nice on the eyes. To me, anyway. I don't know. Holy crap, Bitcoin Diamond. Damn, we were joking about that yesterday or the day before. It ain't no joke, though, apparently. Woohoo! 117% just today. What the fuck, dude? Holy crap, man. What is this one? 62%. Hold up. Oh, look at that, 300% day right at the end of the rally. Literally at the very last, pretty much week of all the rallies in the last bull market. Dang, but it was literally all the way up to $55. Fuck me, dude. It's craziness. Nah, alts are spaghetti. I'm looking at spot prices. Okay. Oh, order books are panicky. I see what you're saying. Okay. Yeah, dude, this font, though, man, I don't know. I don't like it. I wish I could change it. And this is way easier on my eyes. Weirdly enough, Bitcoin Gold isn't on here, though. Or, sorry, Bitcoin Diamond. Oh, it is, but it's not popping up on the... And I don't have any filters. Ah, crap. Yeah, that's kind of weird. Man, what's going on with my computer? I'm getting some funkiness going on. Yeah, why is this not popping up on their front page? It's kind of weird. I don't understand that. Because it should be right here, right? Oh, there it is. Now it's there. What the hell? I don't know, man. My computer's acting funny. Math was off 40%, stable coins, and 7% short. Okay. Okay. That's pretty good. I'm a lot higher than that, but you also probably made a lot more money than I did this week, so, you know, there's that. Alright, let's go. Damn it. Interactive brokers. That's also why I like them, though. They're very conservative. I'm not worried about them going bust or anything. But it's just kind of like, you bastards. Let's see here. Where is... I don't like this thing over here. This is weird. I'm just trading on a unnamed exchange right now, and it's kind of just a funky... Oh, there we go. Yeah, they make it so hard to see that. That's funny, dude. Okay, that makes... There we go. They just have a pro and light version. Settings. I need the dark settings. Ah, much better. I like them dark backgrounds. Alright, let's go over here. There we go. Alright, much better. Sweet. I finally found the dark button for this exchange. Awesome. Alright, what are we doing? What are we doing? Where was I at? By the way, this does not include recent cash outs. I have been taking profits. Oh, okay, nice. Like actually going to some US dollar fiat, huh? That's not a bad idea, though, man. You know, you always got to take some out every once in a while. Alright, so I got the Oxy. That sounds kind of bad. The energy company, not the pharmaceutical pill. Let's see here. Dang, it's already the preview for the... Man, dude, time just freaking flies, man. It's too damn fast. Alright, let's see. What else are we going to do today, guys? Do you want me to look at anything at all? While the market's wrapping up here? Why do I want to get long back in some weed stuff right here? Ugh, it's tough, tough, tough. Let's go to, see what ES is doing. Okay, rallying back up for the day, intraday. Let's just pull this up, it'd be easier to see. Trying to do some rallies. Oh, okay, flipped back on. Yeah, find a resistance, though, at the freaking point of control. That's not good. Riot. Oh, I thought, did you miss Riot? I swear. Yeah, you must be doing a lot of other things, Scott, while you're watching this, because I swear you put Riot earlier in here, didn't you? Did you not? Am I tripping? Maybe you didn't. Oh, we just looked at Riot because you were talking about GBDC. That's what it was. And so I went and looked at Riot while we were looking at GBDC. Riot looks like shit. And this is a terrible chart. This daily closing below this, it's not good. We do have the 200 right at 20. Maybe a rally back up into this box. But, I mean, this is getting pretty damn bearish. It has earnings on the 17th, so I think that's next week. It might be the week after. Oh, it's actually the week after. A couple Mondays away from now. Yeah, it's not great. I guess it does have major kind of support right around 30-ish, 29 bucks. But, you know, it's out of this consolidation box, the weekly. If the weekly too closes the 21 EMA, that's going to be pretty shitty for bulls. That hasn't even happened once. Well, I guess this just barely did close it. But hey, it's a close technically. This one will be a little bit more substantial unless we get a pretty good rally. Looks like we'll need like a 10-15% rally by tomorrow, or that will be closing definitively below the 21. And again, that really hasn't happened in this whole rally since April last year, so it's been a year. So we are getting a little bit of weakness on the Riot, so which is also interesting, man. Like the MicroStrategy and all these other Bitcoin. I mean, look, Coinbase is still falling off a cliff. Like Square is rolling over. It was rallying with all the crypto markets pretty much since May last year, just like everything else. And look, made a lower high right when the that first pump happened last April for most cryptos, and it rolled over. So it's just kind of interesting that a lot of stuff that was like riding the wave of the hype has pretty much stopped doing that. And I don't know if it's going to be true or not. It's just a feeling that I've had, and I don't want to trade feelings, and I try not to. It's hard to do, obviously, but I always had a feeling that Coinbase IPO was going to mark the top of Bitcoin's run. And I hope that's incorrect, but you can see, dude, look at this shit, man. It's down 30-something% from the opening price on the IPO. So maybe earnings can save them. They do have earnings next week, so possibly a buying opportunity. And you got to really zoom in on this guy. I don't even know why these show the same candles. I don't understand what's going on with that. So I'm forced to go to the crack time frame to get any kind of oscillators populated. But I mean, this looks terrible. I mean, it actually looks, it's been terrible on the 7-minute crack time literally since inception. From literally the moment it pumped, rejected, death. And it's been shit the whole time. So maybe if this can flip back over and start getting the EMAs curled back up and have the 200 cross back over the 377, which is going to need a lot of work to do that. But until that kind of happens, I mean, Coinbase looks like garbage, man. Just like all these look like garbage. They all look like shit. So death. This one looks okay, consolidating at 24 cents, so maybe. But the main ones, MicroStrategy and Riot, are getting a little bit threatened right now. Let's see. What's Neo doing? Oh, Neo's in a kind of an interesting spot right here, right on the 200 daily. What is this, about 7-8%? That's not too shabby. Ooh, weekly has crossed, though, the 21 and the 10 simple, so that kind of sucks. But off horizontals alone, it's in an interesting spot here. Yeah, I don't know. This is a tough market to trade. Everyone's like, oh, it's easy. Bull markets, it's easy. Just holding long. And it's like, man, it's not easy. Was it that saying, don't confuse bull markets with brains? Oh, damn, old school, going to that Henry Ford, huh? Man, y'all ever seen the Ford versus Ferrari? If y'all haven't seen that movie, it is phenomenal. One of the best movies that's come out in a long time. I absolutely loved it. I think it's on HBO Max if you have the subscription to that. It's on there for free. Ford is okay, holding this trend line. I mean, actually, Ford might be in an interesting spot right here. What's this risk here? Only about 5-6%. And ever climbing, too. So that's actually, man, this is actually a pretty good chart, man. What? Okay, what What the hell is going on with my computer? Look at that. How is this? This is not... This shouldn't be the same chart. A 458 in a daily, it's not changing at all. What's happening? In an 850, they're all the same chart? What is going on? I don't understand that. It's like something is broken on TradingView. Even look at the times down here when I'm scrolling, when it says March, so all of them say 8:30. Every single one of them. See, even when I do this, they say all 8:30. That's something is like seriously busted on this. What the hell, man? What if I do like a lower time frame? How about a 2 hour? Oh, the 2 hour is working. How weird, man. Alright, whatever. Maybe the times that it trades is not enough or something. I don't know. I don't understand that. Anyway, yeah, this looks good. Ford's alright above this trend line. Coming back to test the weekly 21. That's super sexy. That's what you like to see. Let's go monthly because Ford is old school, so it'll have a monthly chart on it. Let's see here. Monthly is almost, it still needs a little bit to reset. Finding a lot of resistance at that like 13 bucks. Let's go back in time. Jesus Christ. Let's go to a quarterly because this shit goes all the way back to 1969. Quarterly is also agreeing major resistance at $13 handle. So it's really got to get above that to get its legs going again. Even daily mama's close to that. It's a little lower, about 1250. But the daily's showing too that rejection at 13. So yeah, 13 bucks, lots of supply there. Did it hit earnings? Oh damn, killed it on the earnings. And the market didn't care. It dumped freaking 10%. Yeah, earnings are so dumb. Let's see. I'm gonna have to sign off here soon. Yeah, but it looks all right. I like that it's holding here. So maybe you got what is like 5-7% risk and to the mid 13. So you got about 2 to 1 risk to reward, which isn't too bad. So yeah, Ford's not too terrible here. Damn, I kind of want to buy this Russell dip. Oh, well, shit. Kind of missed it here. It's already up fucking 15 points. Jesus Christ. Actually, like 20 points. Damn it. Damn it, Bobby. Missed that one. Oh, look at that. I got the long... Okay. Interesting. So, alright, this is this actually looks good for some intraday stuff. Bouncing off these kind of critical levels. Did breach the mama, though, so that kind of sucks. But, yeah, man, this is just... Russell is such a hard read, dude. ES and NQ... Mostly ES and the Dow look really good still, though. Hey, baby. What's up? Thank you. Oh, my son just got here. You want to sit with me? Yeah? Oh, you want to say hi to everybody? Say hi.
Hi.
Let's talk right here. Say hi.
Hi.
Did you have fun at school today?
Yeah.
All right, good.
Mama's gonna pick up me.
All right, let's see. Can you say Dogecoin?
Dogecoin.
Say it louder. Say Dogecoin.
Dogecoin.
There you go.
Where's that water?
What is this? That's a chart. That's Ethereum Classic chart.
No. I can't go that.
You can't go to that? Okay. No.
That's too dangerous.
All right. Oh, let's see. All right, Bitcoin. There you go.
It's poking.
It's poking. So funny. My
It's
kid, he thinks these are pokies. He says, oh, these are pokey. They'll hurt you, like the wicks and tails on the candles. They're pokies.
A poking though.
Is that the technical term?
Yeah, hello, whom I bought though.
Oh, okay. I see. All right. Well, I think we're probably... know anything else to talk about here. Parts. Ooh, I need to check that because I got a pretty... Oh, where is it? Oh, I did look at that earlier, didn't I? Alright, bouncing off the mama. Yeah, as long as this holds 1450, I'll hold on to it. That's probably my worst heat today. Yes, it is. That's my biggest loser of the day. But that's okay. I'm still up on the day, though, overall. So that's cool. Can't get mad about that. Let's see. 15 minutes till the close. That's right. You are correct, sir. Yes, rallying.
Daddy, what is that?
That's my computer.
Oh, what is this?
That's another computer.
Oh.
I got computers everywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, not too shabby. Looks like Doge is kind of bouncing off this area. That's pretty nice. I do like that. Dumped right down to the 53 area. Did anyone buy that? Did anyone buy that dip on Doge? Any Doge dip buyers?
No.
No.
Oh. What is that thing doing?
I will say the one thing, I know Scott was probably here for most of that rant. If you listened to my rant in the morning yesterday, or in the beginning of the stream yesterday about lower time frames, I will say the one thing that is good for the crack time frames is if you use the 200 and the 377 on the 7 minute and kind of ignore most everything else. And you can see we actually flipped bearish today on the crack time frames on the high. On the long-term MAs right here, and that the last time that those did flip was all the way back at 32 cents at this consolidation zone. So that's kind of cool confluence. And now actually it's crossing back over with rallying right underneath the horizontal at 58 cents. So that's an interesting spot for Dogecoin to go to right now. Again, Dogecoin. Be careful with the Doge right now.
You're gonna be Ellie.
Yeah, why do you have pants on, dude? It's too hot for that.
No.
Did we look at ADA? Yeah, we did ADA earlier in the stream.
What is that?
It looks okay, but it's kind of this kind of sucks. It's okay above like 150ish, but maybe like 150 above this candle right here looks fine. And ultimately, I'd like this daily to close above this horizontal at like 155, and then maybe we can look for this next target at like $2. This is, oh crap, that's not what I wanted to do. What is? Oh, that's OBS.
No, Dad.
This, yeah, that's OBS. It's showing the mic, so when we talk, it fills up right there. Oh, Doge. What art thou going to do? Did you play Dogecoin, Rock? Yeah, but anyway, I don't know if you heard that. ADA looks fine. It'd look real good if it closes this daily above 155. But yeah, I mean, this nice consolidation under here with this follow through yesterday. It's doing what it's supposed to do so far. Weekly looks fine. 2-day closes today. That's a nice 2-day candle. How about the 3-day? Oh, 3-day closes today too. Sweet. So actually, yeah, that's really sexy if this can close above 150. 155 area. Very nice. All right, what's going on here? Let's check out equities. Do we need to do anything before the end of the day? Oil. Do I want to get into any oil? Any more energy stocks? I think I kind of do. Maybe I'll nibble on. Let's see if we can find something. Halliburton, damn, rallying. Exxon, rallying. Holy moly. Damn, I should have just held this crap. I was long. We were getting long on Schlumberger back at the beginning of the year and just like, man, super mega rally. But it's already kind of ahead of itself. That's ugly. Maybe this one here actually looks decent.
What is that?
Oh, yeah, okay. Golar limited LNG stuff crossing on the daily in 377. Last time that happened was March 19th. March 2019, that is. Actually, I'm going to go look at their options real quick. 112 Doge. I will send it to you if my wallet ever gets up to date. Yeah, dude, my wallet sucks. It's like, it's been pending for 24 hours now. I sent some Doge from my wallet, and it's not showing up in the exchange I sent it to.
What's that?
What, this?
Yeah.
This?
Yeah.
That's a camera.
Oh.
I thought I had an old webcam I was going to use for the stream, but it's too old. It's like really choppy. That thing's probably like 10 years old.
Snack.
You're hungry? Okay.
No snack.
You're hungry.
I want to say.
Aren't you hot? You want to take these off?
No, I should.
No, I meant your pants.
No, I can't.
No, you say no, thank you. All right. You got 112 Doge. I will send it. Yeah. Hell yeah, that'd be cool. Thanks, bro. Much appreciated. Yeah, I had some Doge in there that some people had sent me, I guess from this stream or something. Yeah, it wasn't even worth anything. Like, it was like $1 or something. Now it's worth like $400 or some shit. It was pretty wild. All right, let's go to options trading. Let's pull up GLNG. See how their options look. Let's pull that over here. Oh, these are pretty decent. It is soft. Except I can't load the other side of this. It looks like it does actually kind of suck. I might just sell a put on this because it's only a $12 stock. Let's see here. Where's this support? About $10.
What's that?
I only can get 50 cents though.
Daddy, what's this?
That's an hourglass. And it's $2.50 wide strikes. So man, yeah, I can get 190 for the 1250 strike, but that's pretty far up there. And that only gives me about where price is now. Damn it. Well, I only got 7 minutes to make a decision on this. Maybe I'll just go straight stock on it. Wish I could load up the damn. If they would load, they're not loading. Maybe there's just no bids. That could be the reason. Yeah, I think that's the reason. Dude, there's no volume on these. Yeah, I gotta go straight stock if I'm gonna play this. What's this risk too? 10-ish%. What if we zoom in a tad? 10-ish%. It's the same. All right, I'm just gonna nibble small. I'm gonna go straight stock on this. Alright, I got that pulled up. Let's go look at one more energy list. See if anything on major dips today looks attractive. Oh, damn, this one looks kind of good. And it murdered on earnings. I can't talk very good. Let's see here. About 430, 420. Yeah, it's about the same risk though. See if I can find something with a little bit less. Fangmans. Let's do the Fang. Oh, this one actually is a little bit less. Did they? I feel like we looked at this just a second ago with energy stocks, but they didn't have good options on them. Let's see if we do. Yeah, shit, they're okay. Guess I do 85.
Daddy, I want cereal.
You want some cereal?
Yeah.
What? How about I'll make you some mac and cheese?
No, I want to. I don't want mac and cheese. I don't want mac and cheese.
You don't want mac and cheese? BTC way up on crack time frames, but back in decision mode now. Let's go look. Man, this Fang stock, though, this looks good. Weekly. Man, right up against these. Yeah, anything over like $90, this thing is probably going to rocket up to like low hundreds. All right, let's see if I can get maybe filled on an order here. See if I can work it. Work it. Got to work it. Work it. Oh, crap. What if we go further out? Oh, yeah. Further out. I like them options a lot better. All right. So, in September, they start to get a little bit more sexy. 90. We go to third. It'll be about $3. Got that. So, that's 300 something. Roughly. Dang it, what is that math? I gotta do this math in my head, derpy. Ah, it's 4 something. Okay. Alright. CLR looks pretty good. Man, yeah, some of these energy stocks, man, are priming up, dude. KMI beast mode, and this was another one I had really long exposure in on the, along with Schlumberger, but I took them all off on the first rallies. Another reason why I've zoomed out using them higher time frames. Alright. Can I get this filled? No, we gotta buy more than that. Oh, not that many, though. That's too many zeros. Whoa. Whoa.
Boys.
Alright, what are we at? 20. I'm just going to hit the ask on this just to get filled. Alright. Just added that one to it. So put that on the red list. And then what was the other one? Not Halliburton.
Where's that screen?
Although Halliburton does look kind of good too. What's on the screen? That's a chart.
Oh.
Yeah, Halliburton looks pretty decent, but it's a little kind of far away. I'm running. I think Fang is probably the better one. In this posturing, and this weekly is what's real sexy too. Yeah, okay, so Fang, book trading, we'll go a little bit narrower, we'll just keep it tighter, like 105. So that is 4. Oh, god dang it, what's the math on that? I can't do it in my head right now. 730 minus 380. What? Dang it. It's about 350. Tree fitty. That dang Loch Ness monster now come by I now want down tree fitty. Alright, see if that'll fill. I probably won't get this filled before, because I'm not going to just run up and slap the bid on this one.
Daddy.
But,
I
I'm going to work it up and see what happens, kind of playing with it. I'll be willing to go to about 360 off the get. But if it doesn't fill off of that, then whatever. Alright, it filled me at 350. Or 340 something. Whatever, 350. We'll round it to that. Alright, cool. So Fang is on the list too. I'll make you some food in just a second, okay?
No, I don't want food. I want cereal.
Cereal is food, dude. Crack time frames. Oh yeah, nice bounce off of here. That's a cool start so far. Very nice. Get it in, Bitcoin, don't you? My god, this loading crap. I need to defrag or something and get some maintenance on my computer here. What the hell? All right, so that's a good reaction so far. Let's see how this daily closes. That'll be real important. If it hovers above this, man, just time. The oscillators on the MAs are going to start pointing up, and all we would need to do is get the dominance back on the daily, and that would look really awesome. All right, let's see. Let's get off of those and go back over to this other chart on my other screen. I'm sorry. All right, yeah, so Bitcoin defending so far that attempt to get down, so that's cool. We had a little intraday selling pressure, but it looks like a lot of stuff is just saying, whatever, bitch, we're good. So that's cool. Dogecoin, though, kind of... Let's see if we can get back above the mama and reopen crack time frames. I don't like that the 7 minutes flipped on the 200 and 377, though. So that's going to put pretty hard resistance at about 61 cents. So Dogecoin's rallies a little bit chilled out under like the low 60s. Back above that, though, man, we could easily run up to like 80 cents to $1. Easy peasy. All right, looks like the market did just officially close. Let's go look at what the SPX and everything did on the cash indexes. Beast mode daily close on SPX today. Wow, very sexy on that. How about NDX? Yeah, rallying. Not as it needs more work to do. Ruts, okay. Dow jump, but Dow jump. Beast mode candle right here, guys. In the weekly too. I mean, this is really strong. Funny that the Dow is. It's like the leader, which usually it is not. So the Dow just got incredibly bullish above 34.2. Hell yeah, man. 34.20, man. So yeah, very bullish now on Dow above this. Got confirmation of breaking out of this range so far. Open and close. And not only did it open and close above this consolidation, it actually closed above the resistance target Fibonacci extension. So very sexy price action on Dow. I like this on dips now. Pretty much anything dipping to the top side of this box I do like for longs. And very sexy bounce off of here. Missed that Russell bounce. I was looking to get that earlier, but totally messed that up. All good in the hood. Let's see if it went flipped long. Yes, it has flipped long on my strategy for tick charts, but it will have major resistance at about 2250s. So, but yeah, pretty decent day for everything, especially for Ethereum Classic and other things like that nature. But dudes, gals, zers and zers, be careful. These prices are looking a little interesting. All right, so. Again, I'm de-risking like a mofo going into this weekend. I'm already 80-something% cash. I shorted a little bit of Ethereum Classic. It's the first short I've taken in a while. Taking a stab at it. I'm almost expecting to lose because it's just so bullish. But, you know, whatever. We'll see what happens. I think that's it. I think I'm going to go hang out with the kiddo. Make him some food. Make us some late lunch. And go from there. I appreciate y'all joining, hanging out as usual. And until tomorrow, let's see. Bitcoin, hold this level. Don't be dropping back below these body candles here. If it does that, we probably will go to this horizontal with this quickness. And then anything back below, really like 50K, I think is going to usher in the low 40,000s. So let's not do that, Bitcoin. Let's just stay bid. Ethereum, let's just stay above this little cluster, keep riding this trend line up, and it looks fine. And let's see, I guess until then, until tomorrow, the day before the Doge Father does his baptism on the shittiest show in the world now. God, it's so garbage. The SNL used to be so good in the 90s, man. But I don't know what the hell happened. It is so terrible. Anyway, much love. I'll see y'all guys soon. Y'all have a great rest of your Thursday. It's been No Noise, Z-Rex, signing off. Peace. You want to say bye?
Bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say happy trading.
Happy trading.
All right, guys. Later.